Big wheels, big vehicle, big snorkel, big sound system. Mate, come and check this thing out. Customer has supplied Alpine door pods. We've fitted them up with Alpine Type R speakers. This has got the big Alpine 6x9 in the front with the tweeter. Then we've got the Alpine 6x9 in the back. We've sound deadened the doors. Customer wanted to retain the factory head unit. We've fitted a DSP. Check out our review on it. With the DSP in, we've increased the power, we've been able to tune it, so all the speakers are doing what they're supposed to do. The last thing we were missing was actual bottom end. So what we've done here, we've slotted in a subwoofer. We've also put in an amplifier to drive the subwoofer. This is the ZeroFlex EFX 1500, mounted nice and high, which gives us heaps of power for this beautiful little subwoofer. And with the bass controller at the front, it means the customer can set it to his own desire. We've mounted everything high in this vehicle because we think she's going to see some water action, and water and amplifiers don't mix. This is a double 8 subbox. This is the Kicker subbox, and one of them is a passive resonator, and the other one is a 2-ohm subwoofer. Even though this is a lot of vehicle, the cab is almost exactly the right size to suit the 8-inch subwoofer. It means we get some really nice bass out of this thing here. We can keep a factory look, give you all the features you need, the sound you enjoy, without making it look like a dog's breakfast. We're not into that here at JC Installs.